How to use miracle leaf or leaf of life to treat cough and cold. This plant that you're seeing on the screen is known as miracle leaf or leaf of life or leaf that never dies, because if you get one of these leaf and keep it in your house or your room, it will grow. If you get the leaf and put inside water, it will grow. If you get one, just the leaf, and keep it on the ground, it will still grow. That is why it is called leaves that never die, and it is also called miracle leaf or leaf of life because it has a lot of health benefits. But today's video is how to use it to treat cough and cold. So what you'll be needing is to get your miracle leaves. Then after that, you are going to wash it very well, rinse it thoroughly. Then the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to extract the juice. You are going to extract the leaf of life juice, and the easiest way to do it is by placing your wash leaves in a flame of fire. Just get your wash miracle leaves, you place it in the flame of fire. But if you cannot do this method, the next method to do is to get your wash pot, your dry wash pot, then put this miracle leaf inside and steam it for some minutes. It will help soften the miracle leaf, so you'll be able to extract the juice. It's either you place it in a flame of fire or you get an empty pot, a clean empty pot, then put this your miracle leaf inside, steam it, and it will help soften the leaves, and you'll be able to extract enough juice. So this miracle leaf is also used for diabetes. If you want to control diabetes, you can use this miracle leaf to control diabetes. And if you're having ear problem, you can as well use this miracle leaf to treat that ear problem or ear pains that you're having. All you need is to extract the juice. After extracting the juice, you drop the extracted juice directly inside your ear. If you can do it twice daily for 1 week, the ear pains that you're having, it will relieve. So the next thing for cough and cold, the next thing you are going to do is to allow your leaf to be cold a bit. Then you are going to wash your hand, get your clean glass, then extract the juice inside. Okay, the first miracle leaf that I did was not enough. The juice wasn't enough, so I have to go out, get the miracle leaf, and use the steaming method. So I have to extract more juice because I needed enough of it. I have to extract more juice. So the next thing you are going to do is that after extracting the juice, depending on the juice, after extracting it, you add half tablespoon. Like mine, I added half tablespoon of original honey to it. Then after adding it, you stir it very very well. Then for babies, you give them 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. You give them 1 teaspoon to take. Then for children from 2 years upward, you give them 2 tablespoon. Then for adults, you consume moderately. You take enough of the juice, and sometimes just get the juice. Sometimes get the miracle leaf, wash it very well, and chew it. It is very very good. Get the miracle leaf, wash it, and chew it. It is very very good. That is why it is known as miracle leaf. If you can start chewing the leaf, it is very very good. So in my next video, I'll talk about how to use this miracle leaf for diabetes, how to use it to control diabetes. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you get to watch more videos. Thank you.